Multiplexer. Here we are going to see a 4 to 1 line multiplexer and its logic circuit and a function table, and after completing this you will be able to understand the operation of a multiplexer. As an example, we are taking 4 to 1 line multiplexer and we are drawing the logic circuit of that, and using the function table of this multiplexer we are explaining the relationship between the input and the output. Multiplexing means transmitting a large number of information units over a smaller number of channels or lines. A digital multiplexer is a combinational circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to the single output line. The selection of a particular input line is controlled by a set of selection lines. For a multiplexer, it is also known as MUX, max. The number of input lines is 2 raised to n, and the number of selection lines is n, and the selection lines combinations determine which input is selected. And this multiplexer is also called a data selector, since it selects one of the many inputs and steers the binary information to the output line. Here is the block diagram of multiplexer. 2 raised to n inputs and n number of select input lines and only one output line. That is why it is known as n 2 raised to n to 1 multiplexer. A multiplexer is also called a data selector, since it selects one of the many inputs. We are using AND gates and inverters in the multiplexer, and with the use of this it resembles a decoder circuit because it decodes the input selection lines. In general, a 2 raised to n to 1 line multiplexer is constructed from n to 2 raised to n input line, 1 to each AND gate. The outputs of the AND gates are applied to a single OR gate to provide one line output. The size of a multiplexer is specified by the number 2 raised to n of its input lines and a single output line. It also contains n selection lines. Here is the logic diagram of the 4 to 1 line multiplexer. It is implemented using 4 AND gates and an OR gate. Each of the 4 input lines I0 to I3 is applied to one input of an AND gate. The function table in this figure lists the input to output path for each possible bit combination of the selection lines. To demonstrate the circuit operation, consider the case S1 S0 is equal to 1 0. This case, the AND gate associated with the input I2 has 2 of its inputs equal to 1 and the third input connected to I2. The other 3 AND gates have at least one input equal to 0. The OR gate output is now equal to the value of I2, thus providing a path from the selected input to the output. By using S1, S0 selection inputs, we have 4 different options. If the S1, S0 combination is 0, 0, where output is I0. If it is 0, 1, output is I1. If it is 1, 0, output I2, and if it is 1, 1, output is I3. The AND gates and inverters in the multiplexer resemble the decoder circuit. And here we have seen the 4 to 1 line multiplexer, and the number of input lines required is 4, which is 2 raised to 2. So that means 2 raised to n is equal to 2 here. So the selection lines is 2 and the total number of gates required is 4 AND gates and 1 OR gate. The outputs of the AND gates are applied to a single OR gate to provide one line output. So the number of inputs 2 raised to n, which is 4, and the selection lines 2 and the output is 1 line. We have seen 4 to 1 line multiplexer, its logic circuit and the function table. Multiplexer is also known as demultiplexer, encoder, decoder or data selector. Definitely known as data selector because it selects the one of the input and gives that as the output. What is the number of select lines for a 8 to 1 line multiplexer? 8 is 2 raised to 3. So if 2 raised to n is the number of input lines, there are n select lines are required. So here 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So 3 select lines are required here. What is the function of MUX? Data selection, coding, decoding, code conversion. It is definitely data selection. Next, number of AND gates and OR gates for designing 16 to 1 line multiplexer. The number of input lines is 16. So we need 16 AND gates and 1 OR gate is required. So 16 and 1 is the number of AND gates and OR gates. What is the number of maximum input lines of a MUX with m select lines and 1 output line? If there are m select lines, the number of input lines is 2 raised to m. Thank you.